Hi everyone, let's deep clean this LG dryer, model number DLEX25001C. We'll use this Blue Sea dryer vent cleaning kit that is available through Amazon in various lengths. I'll leave a link in the description. Here's a quick look at what's included. A brush head, lint trap brush, cutting blade, drill attachment adapter, dryer adapter, vacuum cleaner adapter, and flexible rods. The dryer is difficult to remove from the corner of the room, so we'll clean it in place and clean the interior of the machine at the same time. I'm going to speed through the dismantling to not bore you. Let's get started. Disconnect power. Remove the 3 screws at the bottom of the lid bracket. Slide back and lift off the lid. Slide out and remove the steamer drawer. Remove the screws on each side of the steamer compartment. Remove the screw at the top front right corner of the dryer. Remove the control panel by releasing the top clips, pull the top forward, then lift the bottom up and out. Again, remove the control panel by releasing the top clips and then the bottom clips. Unplug the light switch connector. Remove the 4 screws at the top of the door panel. Open and support the door. Remove the 2 bottom screws. Lean the door panel forward and lift up and out. Remove the lint trap. Remove the 2 screws to remove the lint trap housing. Remove the 2 screws to remove the blower faceplate. Remove the blower wheel by holding the wheel and spinning the nut clockwise for the reverse threads. Remove the nut, washer, pull off the wheel, and remove the shaft key. Remove the 3 screws to remove the blower housing. Here's the tricky part. Pull the blower housing forward so that the hole passes the shaft retaining clip. Pull the front bottom of the housing up and over the frame lip. Pull the left side of the housing past the frame and off the shaft, and slide the bottom rear of the blower over the frame. Remove the 2 connectors at the back of the blower housing. Now we can see the duct covered with fine lint built up over several years. Before proceeding, we see that the shop vac and filter are clean. And we remove the exhaust flaps to allow air to get sucked into the vent duct. The vent duct was replaced 6 months ago and is still very clean. Now we pull out the brush head, flexible rod, drill attachment, and cordless drill. By the way, each flexible rod is 16 inches long. Thread on the brush head, drill attachment, and insert into the drill chuck. Insert the brush head into the duct and spin clockwise only. Spinning the setup counterclockwise could result in parts getting stuck inside the vent duct. Let's now attach the vacuum attachment, insert the flexible rod, turn on the shop vac, and continue cleaning. Remember, only rotate the setup clockwise. The first 16 inches of duct is much cleaner, and the lint buildup can still be seen at the back of the dryer. Now we remove the drill, thread on another length of flexible rod, reattach the drill, and continue cleaning. At this point, I felt the brush pass the turn of the 90-degree elbow behind the dryer. Time to add more rods and continue cleaning up the duct. This was repeated until 9 flexible rods were used to get the head to the top elbow just before the exhaust grill. Time to remove the brush and rods. Remember to keep spinning the setup clockwise only. We remove the final length of rod and the brush head and see that the backside of the elbow looks much cleaner. Now to clean the interior cabinet of the dryer. Remember to clean the air intake grill, lint trap housing, blower faceplate, blower wheel, and remove any hair tangled on the motor shaft. Reinstall everything in the reverse order and we'll be good to go. The shop vac and filter are still clean, so instead of 6 months, I'll wait 1 year for the next deep cleaning. Here's another video you might be interested in.